The topic of today's video is how to withdraw money from Webull to your bank account. So all we need to do is add Webull to our bank account. So what we're going to do is we are going to navigate to the transfer section on the top here. And then we're going to say withdraw. And then you are going to choose either USD or AUD. Has to be one of the two. And then over here, we're going to add all our banking information. And then we are going to give a document as proof of our account. So it can be a bank statement for say 6 months. And you are going to upload it here. And when you are done, you're going to click on submit. And from there, you can just continue to follow the prompts. Keep in mind, well, I'm not certain, but I do believe that it takes a while before they accept and verify your banking details. So just keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.